guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ysay, and here on my channel I upload travel vlogs every Tuesdays and makeup tutorials every Thursday. So yes, if you like my content, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my videos. So for today's video guys, we're gonna do a makeup tutorial using the eyeshadow palette from Beauty Bay, which is the Nikkie Tutorials eyeshadow palette. This is the packaging. It is a very nice packaging with the pink colorful one and the dark one. And in the back, she wrote a note from all of us. And I'm gonna show you the palette. It comes with a plastic covering. So this is the eyeshadow palette. Very nice color story, guys. I love it because it has a large pan. And yeah, this palette has a very nice color story, and at the same time it is very pigmented and very blendable. So are you ready for a makeup tutorial? Let's play with this. So if you want to see a look with creating this palette, keep on watching. We will do a colorful shadow using this palette. So for my transition shade, I'm gonna dip this one from the shade Basic Trot. And I'm using my brush, the Morphe R40 brush, dipping it here, and I'm gonna put it on my crease. So I was planning, guys, to do a 2-look tutorial using this palette, but let me know if you want that kind of tutorial. Please comment down below and let me know so that I can create videos like that, like 2 looks in 1 palette kind of thing. So yeah, I would really love to try that also as well. Now the next step, I'm dipping it in the shade maybe I like this color. This is the Redemption one. And I'm just dipping it also on my crease, above, a little bit higher than my crease. Next that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this Sigma brush. I can see it's Sigma E35, and I'm dipping it in the shadow, maybe this pink one. It's called Blend and Snap. This one. And I'm just putting it here, outer V going to the crease. And I'm blending 2 colors together. This is a very nice shade, I mean shadow for summer. Nice color for summer. I'm concentrating it to the outer V, going to the crease. Without taking off the Redemption shade there, peeping over the pink color. Now I'm taking the same brush and I'm just sweeping it with this clean sweep makeup tool to brush off the shadow. Now we are going to a deeper color, and I'm taking my Real Techniques buffing brush, and I want to grab this shade here. This is called Slasher. This one. Just dipping my brush, tapping it off some excess. See how pigmented it is. And I just want to put it on my... It is very pigmented, guys. See? I love the shade. buffing it up. I'm just dipping it lightly to the shadow. My brush, I'm dipping it lightly to the, let's see, and I'm also tapping it, the excess shadow, but look at how pigmented it is. Now I'm just dabbing the shadow here in the outer V, and I'll try to smoke it out. Same thing, dabbing motion, the outer V, concentrating the shadow to the outer V, going a little bit to the crease, and I'm just buffering it. Now guys, I buff it a little bit. Now I'm going back to my Sigma brush and I'm dipping it back to the shade Redemption. Just want to clean or put more shadow here, this shade here, to my crease. And with the same brush, I'm just dipping it to the shade here, the Ivy one, and I'm putting it under my eyebrow for highlight, and of course cleaning some rough edges. It's nice and glittery shade for my lower eyebrow. Next, I'm just grabbing my Real Techniques, let's have a name. It's called, shadow for eyeshadow. I think I'm gonna put it in the lid. Now we're gonna pick some shade here. I want something glittery. Or maybe, let's try this Roxy Catan shade. Nice and glittery and creamy shade. Let's see if it can. So without the spray, the shadow. So I'm grabbing my e.l.f. 16-hour Stay All Night Setting Mist, and I'm just brushing it here, wetting my brush, and I'll dip it again in this shade Roxy Catan. Let's see if it will give me a good pigment. Now I'm dabbing it on my lid. A little transfer, but you know what? The best technique is I'll grab my fingers and I'll dab it on my lid. Then I can get a very nice color payoff compared to the brush. See the difference, guys. There's a really lot of difference using your fingers and compared to the brush. Look at it. It's so nice and creamy, very glittery, very nice on the eyes. Just softly dab it on your lid, get a very nice color payoff. Love it. So nice, guys. Now I think I'm done. I'll finish up with the look and I will be back, and I'll finish up the look and be back with the finished look, and also I'll give you a review and my thoughts regarding this palette. So guys, this is the final look that I have created using the Nikkie Tutorials Beauty Bay palette. So about this palette, I really love playing with this. First off, because I love the packaging. It has a very nice packaging. And what I love about the most is the color story of the palette. It comes with two mirrors. This one is a normal mirror and the other one is like 2 times mirror. And I was so happy because this color palette the eyeshadow palette has large eyeshadows. Like they have large eyeshadow pan, which I really love because I don't like those small tiny eyeshadow pans that it is so hard for your brush to dip in. But with this, I so love it. Look at how big the shadow is, and I can dip freely my brush into all the shadow and dig all the shadow, all the goodness of the shadow in this. So yes, with this palette, this is very creamy, very blendable, and very pigmented. I love playing with this palette. You can create neutral looks and of course colorful looks using this red one here and the blue one, and I love the green one here as well. And with the shimmers, some of the shimmers here in this palette, they are very nice and pigmented. But Nikkie, in this package, Nikkie also included a card on which palette that you can use for your fingers and very good for the brush. So it is very nice for her to slip in a little note for us to for a little guide for us to which palette is used for fingers and for brush. But for me, usually when I do shimmers, I really love using my fingers and dab it all over my eyelid, so that it gives me like a very good color payoff when I use my fingers compared to the brush. Even though you spray the brush with a setting mist, still using your fingers is more very pigmented when you apply it on your lid. So far I really love this palette, and I would love to play more of this, and hopefully soon on my future videos I will create more looks or maybe 2 looks using this palette. So I hope you like the look, guys, and if you do, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to keep you updated on all my makeup tutorials. So I hope to see you guys, and I hope you find this video interesting and educational, or I mean informative. I hope you also let me know if you can create this kind of look, and if you do, please comment down below and share this video as well. So I hope to see you soon, and bye. Keep safe, guys.